Hello student, welcome to my class. I am Dr. M.P. Badge. Today I am going to discuss about the staining technique. Staining is a valuable technique used in microscopy to enhance contrast in the microscopic image. Stains are used to highlight structures of microorganism. Stains have different affinities for different organism and are used to differentiate types of organism or to view specific part of organism. Staining involves the sample preparation onto slides, fixation means which aims to preserve the shape of the cell, the staining with dyes and the observation under the microscope. Because microbial cytoplasm is usually transparent, it is necessary to stain microorganism before they can view with the light microscope. A preparation such as this is called wet mount. A wet mount can also be prepared by placing a drop of culture onto the cover slip and then interviewing it over a hollow out slide. This procedure is called hanging drops. In preparation for staining, a small sample of microorganisms is placed on a slide and permitted to air dry. The smear is heat fixed by quickly passing it over a flame. Heat fixing kills the organisms, makes them adhere to the slide and permits them to accept the stain. There are three types of stain. Acidic stain, for example, acid fuchsin, malachite green, nigrosin, and Indian ink. Second type is basic stains, for example, hematoxylin, methylene blue, crystal violet, gelatinous violet, etc. Third type is neutral stains. For example, Giemsa's stain, Leishman's stain, Wright's stain, etc. There are two types of staining methods. One is positive staining. Let us discuss the positive staining, where the actual cells are themselves color and appear in clear background. Simple staining, a stain with provides color contrast but gives small color to all bacteria and cells. Example, Loper's methylene blue, polychrome methylene blue, diluted carbamazepine. Another way of positive staining is differential staining. In differential staining, a stain which imparts different colors to different bacteria is called differential staining. For example, gram stain, acid fast staining, spatial stains. Another type is method of staining is negative staining. In negative staining, the cells uncolored and background is colored to create a contrast to aid in the better visualization of the image. For example, Negrosine, Indian ink, etc.